at Starbucks, watching everybody go through the drive-thru like a creeper. And look at this car. It's like a servant. I don't even know what this is. What is it? Vivint? Okay, now this person probably just thinks I'm a freaking creeper. Just filming them go through the drive-thru. Why not? But I like that car. I like the aesthetic. I wish I had a van sometimes so that I could do something with it. I don't know where I was going with that statement, but good morning, Swamp Family. It is 9:28 in the AM and I'm all of a sudden a morning person. Wow! I'm actually like an all night into the morning, into the next day kind of person. Did I say, hey everybody, it's Bunny? Or did I just skip the intro entirely? Cheers to you! I hope you're having a lovely day. Sippy, sippy. Yes! Let's get into today's video. There's no reason for me to be filming in my car right now. I'm just filming in my car because I kind of miss when we used to do that. We used to do that all the time. Now we don't ever really do it. I don't know why we stopped. Also, forgive my spit, and also forgive my makeup. I feel like I'm looking a little crusty by now. I've had this on for several hours, and makeup does not improve with the length of time that you wear it. Oh, I almost forgot what we have to get into before we get into the actual video. Guess what? I did something that I said I was gonna do. I don't get bonus points for that, but it is our first ever comment sign challenge. So congratulations to Crabby Miss Silvertooth for your hilarious comment that caught my eye. It is Marcy, a girl I went to school with, used to eat mascara. Let's have a moment of thought for Marcy. What is she doing now? She's still eating mascara. What does it taste like? Marcy, if you're out there, let us know. Let's keep this going because I had fun with that. So leave me a comment down below. Something funny, something random. You can see how strange it is. I saved several comments. There were so many runners up. Leave me a comment down below. And in the next video, I will make a sign with your screen name on it. It's fun. Bringing MySpace back. Can we do that, please? Please. Anything to get rid of Facebook, honestly. Evil laugh. By the way, is it true or is it false that Elon Musk was going to buy Facebook just to delete it? Now that is savage. I know we say savage a lot on the I never do. But that makes me smile in my soul. All right, today we're going to be unboxing something. Of course we are. It's my channel. If we weren't using a box cutter and cutting open a box, what would we be doing? Quality content. But you guys, I have been kind of excited to make this video for a long time. And it's a handbag unboxing, but not the one that I was talking about. That one's still coming. I already filmed it. I just haven't edited it yet, but it's a different one. It's another one. And this is a very special for the Swamp Family. So it's in this box. We've got a bag in a box. Do you ever get packages in the mail and they specify some kind of weight and then you're 9,000% sure they're lying? Actually, maybe it is. No, I couldn't lift 4 pounds this easily. I'm extremely weak. Of course, we have the co-star of like every video I make on this channel, the box cutter. Give it up for the box cutter. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay. Cutting open the box. Like so, you can't tell. My singing voice vastly improves when I'm ill. This bag came from Kate Spade. And I'm gonna be honest, like Kate Spade is not normally my go-to brand. It's for like nice girls in New Jersey that have their life together. They go to like cocktail parties. Their hair looks nothing like this. Welcome to the land of stereotypes. But do you know what I'm saying? Like Kate Spade, in my opinion, is a very mature, posh kind of brand in my mind. And so normally I am just not like that because I'm a train wreck garbage person. So it doesn't normally speak to me. But this is a bag that you guys tweeted me over and over and over and over again. And I was so happy. I was so happy that you did because it is perfect for the Swamp Family. So let's open it up right here. Ooh, what does that mean? What does 25 mean? Does that mean something in Kate Spade? A different language that I don't understand? It's got green stripy paper. Is that not perfect? So I ordered it, and it's been here, and I've been neglecting it. And so now, today, we're finally gonna set him free. Ooh, 2018 marks our 25th birthday. Now we know what the 25 means. It's like a little card. I don't know. I'm trying to read, but I can't really read that fast. Anyway, let's move along. Ooh, can you guys guess what it is? Some of you guys who tweeted me, you probably already know what this is, but I could not pass this up. I don't know how functional it's gonna be. We will find out, because I feel like one of the next videos I have to make is a freaking purse cleaning out my garbage purse video. It's been a hot minute since we've done a purse cleaning video, which I don't really think it's supposed to be a purse cleaning video. It's supposed to be what's in my bag, but my bag is always just full of straw wrappers and loose change, so mine is like a let's clean together kind of video. Ooh, I'm struggling. Okay, we had a plastic bag, now we've got like some thin styrofoam kind of stuff, which I always recycle this foam stuff. This is gonna sound crazy, but one of my pet peeves, no! Oh, this is also one of my pet peeves. So many crises today. Not really, but okay. In the Tesla, you have Slacker radio, which, do you guys remember when I had my very own Slacker radio station? I was a DJ for half of a minute. I selected a bunch of songs and I put them in some semblance of order, and it was a playlist. Well, that is the streaming service that Tesla has, but the only downside is you can't pause. Oh my God, can I pause? I take it back. I just discovered something. I love this song so much. It's not like I couldn't just play it on Spotify. I'm gonna show you what it is. I'm your DJ again. It's Me and Michael by MGMT. So good. This song is so good. But I was about to just say it's like the pain of my soul when a song comes on that I want to listen to. I'm still sad that you can't back it up, because I'm the kind of person that wants to listen to the same song like 15 times in a row. That's what Spotify's for. Anyway, I was about to tell you guys a recycling life hack. Like I should be giving that kind of advice. You know when you like hang your jeans or skirts or whatever, and you got the little pinchy hangers, and if you leave your clothes hanging there for too long, the little pincher imprints will forever be on your clothes. That is one of my biggest life pet peeves. Did I say pet peas? I don't want pet pee. Anyway, if you take stuff like this, yes, and you cut it up and you just place it inside of the pinchy hanger, it's not gonna leave that mark on your clothes. Let me know, is that one of your pet peeves? Anyway, we had that stuff, we had plastic, and now we've got paper and a tag. Look at that. Ooh, what do we have in here? Oh my gosh. I'm glad I turned this into an unboxing video, because it's gonna take a hot minute to unbox it. Look at me, I'm filming in the daytime and I feel like the lighting is still so bad. Can you tell what it is already? If you know me, I bet you can. Oh, this is a challenge. Look at this, this is like a puzzle. You can't take off these things till you take off this thing. Do you see what I mean? It's stuck like this. Can you tell what it is? Can you tell? I'm sure you can. It's like, let's learn numbers and shapes with Bunny. Okay, it's a gator. I'll ruin it for you in case you couldn't guess. But look at, we even have to unwrap his little eyes. Hello, good morning. What time is it now? Oh, it's 10:38. Have we been filming for 10 minutes? Yes. Yes, we have. Tell them hello, Mr. Gator. I love his eyes. He looks even cuter than I expected. Okay, let's take this off very carefully. Look at his little boots. I almost want to leave it like that forever because it's adorable. Wait, does it say no two of a kind? No, it literally just says two of a kind. I thought maybe it was like one of those things, like, you know, when you buy like tie-dye clothes or whatever and then you get the tag on there. What am I gonna do with my legs? I'm sitting on my feet and it hurts and my legs are falling asleep. But you know when you buy like tie-dye clothes or whatever and it's like no two are alike. I thought it was that kind of thing, but how different could this be and still look like a gator? Oh my gosh. I am just loving this more and more and more. You guys can look at the price if you want. I don't like to talk about prices. That kind of, I don't know. Like, I'm not, once again, I'm not here to flex. I'm not here to like, I just want to share my life with you guys. And I like what I like. And sometimes I splurge on stuff. It doesn't mean that I'm a bad person or I'm like an evil person or like, I don't know. I don't know. Oh, and we have a tail protector. Is this the most boring video I've ever made? Let me know. See, I feel like I would love to do daily videos, but it would be maybe a lot of stuff like this, which is how entertaining, I don't know. You can tell I'm like in a good mood and like super hyper right now. I have a lot of energy right now, which is not what I would expect for my life at 9:40 in the morning, but you never know. Life like a box of chocolates. There we go. Okay, and I'm sure there's stuffing on the inside. Oh my gosh. This is even wrapped up too, and I don't even exactly know what this is, but it appears that there's like a bar. I don't feel like this is like a practical all the time bag, obviously, because A, it's shaped like a giant gator wicker basket, and B, because it appears that it has no distinctive way to like close it up. This is like taped as if your life depended on it. Ooh, hello UPS man. Look at that. Are you coming to get your coffee? You can't see him. He's back there. He's not coming to get coffee. I was about to be so stoked, honestly. I don't even know why. If a UPS truck just drove through the drive-thru at Starbucks. It's the little things in life that bring me such strange joy. We still have a tiny freaking piece of paper that refuses to come unstuck. We're all just waiting on you, sweetheart. There's like a dust bag in here. How would that even fit? This must be ginormous. It kind of is. Look, does he look like he'll fit in here? I still kind of don't 100% believe it. I guess so. I guess so. You guys, I think I'm gonna have to wait till I get home and have real scissors because I don't want to get at this bag with a box cutter, but this part is like taped so good that I think I'm gonna have to delicately tear it. It kind of has a funny smell, but then again, I can't 100% smell, so. But right now I'm like, ooh, kind of has a funny smell. All right, let's open him up. This is what he looks like. How cute. How cute. Do people do bag unboxing videos? How do they go? Anything like this? Probably not. They're probably like, the bag is exactly 17.5 inches long by 4.5 feet deep. That doesn't make any sense. We got paper on the inside. Yes. I mean, I'm just saying other people probably have more sustenance than there's paper on the inside. But welcome to Graveyard Girl. We've got a care card and we have the frickin' silica gel packets, not one but two. I feel like this is every single video now. We have silica gel packets and some people say it's not poisonous. It's just a choking hazard. I don't want to choke either. I don't want to choke or be poisoned. Just very simple pleasures in life, to not choke or be poisoned. Look at that. So cute. I wish I could like have that engraved and like give him a name. What should his name be? I feel like I have to do an outfit of the day with him. You guys, I filmed an outfit of the day segment today, not a whole outfit of the day, because I wanted to do another one of those like compilation videos where I show you guys like 5 outfits that I do, like a week of outfits. So it actually seems really spacious. Like, I mean, once again, I feel like this is more of like a special occasion bag where like if you were going to an event or, you know, something like that where you didn't need to carry a ton, but you can definitely fit a phone and your wallet and your car keys in here and probably still have a little bit of room left over. I do wish that there was some like latching function is the only downside, because I feel like you do have to be like really careful that it doesn't spill over, because I feel like that would possibly be disastrous if it happened in public. I do feel like he'll just sit. Like, let me see if I can get another clip of him sitting on the dashboard, because why not? Look at that. Look at that. It's a cute little baby. and we just took him out of the box. Hello, what should his name be? I don't know. I feel like I always name everything. What's the one name that I do? I don't know. I always pick like the same name, I feel. Well, you guys, it's been riveting. We've had a good time just sitting and talking to each other, haven't we? But thank you guys. I guess that's it. I'm pretty sure you can still get him on Kate Spade. I will just link you down below for your own convenience in case you want all the specs that I don't know anything about. I just realized this is vastly different than a shoe unboxing because there's like nothing to try on, and I can't be like, it's very comfortable to wear. But I don't know. I love this little guy. I think it's a cute little statement piece. And of course, I always want anything in my life that reminds me of you guys, the Swamp Family. I feel like I want to get a Swamp Family tattoo this year. I feel like that's the year. This is the year. This is the time. I'm ready. But thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit that button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp Family, and give an alligator its wings. Don't forget, hit the notification bell so that you actually know when I upload videos to this channel. Also, if you want, you can like me on Facebook, facebook.com/graveyardgirl, or you can follow me on Twitter, Tumblr, or Instagram @graveyardgirl. Same way it's spelled here. I am very excited to get air conditioning on right now because it's gotten hot quick, which is weird because it's like 67 degrees outside. But it's very toasty in here. Very toasty. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys all my crazy blue makeup. None of you have probably made it this far, but if you have, my lipstick is, I forget what it's called, but it's the only blue lipstick that Fenty Beauty makes. And my blue eyebrows, which maybe you guys can tell are blue, is the new Benefit brow tones in the only blue shade they make. And then the mascara is the new Urban Decay eyelash and brow product in the only blue shade that they make. And then I've got on all this like blue highlighter, which I think is Halo from Cover FX, and then I surprisingly applied glitter to my body today, which is the blue glitter drops from Cover FX. Did I say Custom FX? I just bit my tongue, but I love you guys, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye! Missed opportunity with the camera angle. I should have filmed the whole video like this. You're stuck in the door right now via a tripod. But look, I thought I'd give you guys some extra, like maybe like some more room to look at the bag. Wow, please don't put your butt in my face, thanks. Look at him, I'm so cute. Feed me a sandwich, maybe. I don't know what was that? What was that about? Should this be the thumbnail? I just did a box so that it's more like, what's in the box? I really love his little gator feet. It's so cute. What outfit am I gonna put with this? I don't know yet. I'm gonna figure it out.